Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Turtle Wax Sealant Hydrophobic Wax. What the hell is this stuff? It is a spray wax slash spray sealant. They use the word hybrid. What the hell does that mean? Hybrid's a real buzzword. Let me fold that so I'm not staring at the camera. Hybrid's a real buzzword. It means it's got two things in there. One, it's a water-based spray wax. So it's got carnauba wax and emulsifiers, so you can mix the wax with water. Very traditional way of making a product. It also has synthetic sealants in there, guys, and that's going to be forms of water-carried siloxanes that we've talked about before that you spray onto a panel and they instantly bond to the kind of panel. And that means any product with water-based siloxanes you can also spray onto wet panels and rinse off because it's able to bond rapidly. However, the best way to probably use this is a bit like a detail spray. You spray it, or a spray wax. You spray it onto a panel, you spread it over the panel with one cloth or one microfiber applicator. Give it a second, you'll see a bit of a haze, and then you buff it back. Follow the instructions, but you can also use it as a spray and rinse product. The product costs £7.99 in the UK from Euro Car Parts, which is phenomenal. I'll link it in, guys, but search around, see if you can find a better price. Don't think you will. Some guy reported that when Euros do a flash sale, you can get the product for £4.98, which is phenomenal. And related to that you could probably pick it up for that sort of price. It also happens to have, let's put this back, it also happens to have a high quality spray trigger on it. The irony, isn't it, that some of the products out there that you can spend like 20 quid on for 500 ml of spray sealant also happen to use the cheapest spray triggers that you can get, you can get your hands on. And then the cheapest one that you can get your hands on uses a very high quality spray and a decent bespoke bottle with a grip on it. So quite nice. Turtle Wax, with respect, has a reputation of offering kind of cheap products, but they could charge a lot more for this, if they wanted to. Now, that's covering what the product is. Let's cover how the product performs, guys. First off, the slickness that the product leaves is good. It's not bead maker slick. Everyone's going to ask that. If I say it's slick, they're going, is it bead maker slick? Not in my opinion, no, but it's very slick. It's Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax slick, if you like. It just feels nice on the paint, guys. I will test it all properly and comparatively in another video where I'm putting it up against other products. Gloss seems decent. Most carnauba spray waxes give you the warm look, if you like. It does look good, guys, and I'm not just saying that. Less about the test panel where you can't tell, but if you spray this all over your car and buff it, the car seems to look nice, okay? Very important. How is this product to work with? It's really nice, guys. I'm not finding it streaky at all. You just get a slight hazing of the carnauba and then you buff it back and it's easy to work with, quite quick to apply, but it just needs that little bit of buffing, but very nice to work with. Not sticky, not grabby, not difficult to remove. Good stuff. Next up, the beading thing that everyone likes. It claims hydrophobic performance, so let's talk about its hydrophobic performance. First off, it is not giving you super hydrophobic beading that other products will give you. Sonax BSD will give you bigger beads, so will things like Card Pro Reload, so will the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax. They'll give you more pert kind of contact angles and beads on application. It's very reactive, it's very, it is repellent, but it's not a bead monster. Next up, durability. So it's more of a sheeter, if you like, a strong, rapid sheeter. Durability, detergent resistance. I've done a quick test where I've prepped 3 sections of my test hood. I've put this in the middle, the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax on one side, and Sonax Brilliant Shine Detail Spray, very hydrophobic, reasonably durable spray, detail spray that we all know about. And this in the middle, did I already say that? And started hitting it with my alkaline detergent, a bit like I've done with other tests. Now, the interesting thing is, after 25 hits of this product, this, of degreaser, alkaline degreaser, this product is still performing close, not pretty close. It's still very repellent after those 25 hits. Funnily enough, in next place was Sonax Extreme. It was still going, but not much there. And the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax did not perform well this time. And last time I tested this, I did 25 hits with exactly the same product and it was still going like a trooper. And I was looking at it thinking, what the hell's going on with this? The only thing I did differently is I didn't shake it. So I think probably at the bottom of the bottle I've got all the some sort of one component and perhaps all the silazane or something else. I'm just thinking out loud somewhere else. So I didn't give this a damn good shake, and that meant I destroyed the water repellency characteristics of this quite rapidly. So I'll be more careful next time I use hybrid ceramic wax. However, the durability and detergent resistance on this, guys, is up on a level that I haven't seen that many times before. Really, really impressive, the way that it can resist the detergent. This is a good benchmark for me, you know, as a sort of spray-on, very hydrophobic thing which lasts reasonably well. And this absolutely took it to the cleaners, if you pardon the pun. So this might be a product that can do beyond 6 months, I'm guessing at the moment, and I'd need to use it more in the field, but it's very, very durable from what I'm seeing. Okay, so that's all the basic thing, guys. The only negatives with it, it's a bit watery and a bit frothy, quite a few surfactants in there, but you don't even see that when it's inside the bottle. So a summary of Turtle Wax Sealant Hydrophobic Wax. Very easy to use, very easy to apply, which is really important. It's glossy and slick. It's extremely durable and has very good resistance to detergent. Very, very, very good, based on what I'm seeing. It's cost effective, guys. Extremely cheap product. So for all the people that are quite cynical, and there's nothing wrong with being cynical and saying, a lot of people when I was talking about hybrid ceramic wax were saying, I'll just stick with Sonax BSD, thanks, it's nice and repellent and I can pick it up for virtually nothing. Well, I'm telling you, you can pick this up for even less and it will last a lot longer than most things. It just doesn't feel like it should last as long as it does because it's quite thin. But it's so much nicer to work with than BSD, which is a bit kind of more grippy. I reckon it's early days, guys, but basically you need to go and try this stuff and let me know in the comments what you think. But I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. What aren't you getting? You're not using the latest SiO2 materials. And the jury, like I've said many times, is still out for me on what are the real benefits of those in terms of self-cleaning and stuff that they claim. Can you really observe it for all that extra money? I don't know yet. Don't know, and I'm interested enough to find out. I'm going to end the video here, guys. If you've used this product, let me know. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Press that subscribe button and support the channel, all that sort of stuff. Thanks for watching. Quick review of this great product from Turtle Wax, Sealant Hydrophobic Wax. More to come from this product. Lots and lots. Get the focus going. Come on, camera. Lots and lots of potential for sure. I'm spitting everywhere. See you later, guys.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I when you went home?